Well, here's a quick update on some stuff. I finally got a hose end. I could actually spray stuff and not have it leak all over the shop. And I can actually wash my hands now. As you can see, the transition. I don't really like leaving with really grody hands. I've been puttering today. Haven't really done much on the actual shop side, but I was playing around with my new Dewalt portable bandsaw. This thing is fantastic. Runs super smooth. Has cut everything very well. Still getting used to handling it. It feels different, obviously, than the Harbor Freight one that I was running. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Been using it the heck out of it today. So I got this started, which is basically going to be a hanger for my pneumatic tools, because I don't like leaving them on the floor, and putting them in a drawer somewhere just doesn't make sense. I can basically stack them all up that way. I've got two sizes, one for this and one for the smaller size, because like air filler stuff, you don't need a 3/8 fitting. So it just doesn't make any sense. But yeah, that's all laid out. I've got an extra hole in here. This one is going to be for this line, and the other one that's close to it is going to be for that line. That's a 1/4 inch. I got 2 more brackets made, and I'm actually not too unhappy with the welds that I laid down today. A little bit of a wandering weave. I got a little overzealous with the flap disc and took off a little too much, and even the inside joint's not horrible. It's definitely solid. Yeah, I'm still working on that. But let's see what else. I sharpened a bunch of tungsten. I really need to get some better holders for that. All my TIG stuff. And these are going to be modified. I'll be showing you guys how I'm doing that. I can't claim credit for the idea. I saw it on a YouTube video. But yeah, these are going to be the new clamps for the table. I know I probably could have gotten a bunch more, but I wanted to make sure that I liked these first, and these were $4 each. I figure I sacrifice a few and see if I can make them work. So, and then I gotta figure out the bottle situation, which I mentioned before, because that bottle's out, almost out. I don't have a whole lot of welding coming up right this second, but I need to figure out that so I can start actually working on headers that are in the pipeline. I've got a turbo manifold to finish up soon, and that'll be a cool project to let you guys know about. So yeah, that's basically it. Just trucking along, doing stuff. I did not want to paint today. It is super muggy, super hot, and honestly, painting is one of my least favorite things on the planet. So today was just a play in the shop kind of day, and I enjoyed it despite it being ridiculously hot. We've had some thunderstorms, dumped some water, and it's just gotten muggier since then. So I'm looking forward to getting back to the air conditioning in the apartment and taking care of some stuff online, like posting this video. So that's that. Hope you guys have a good weekend. If you're working, be safe. If you're working, be awesome. Even if you're not working, be awesome. And have a good one.